Welcome! In this video, you will learn simple English words with the letter D. Each word comes with a clear definition, easy examples, and common collocations. Daisy is a type of wildflower with white petals and a yellow center. She picked a daisy and put it in her hair. Duck is a water bird with a broad bill and webbed feet. The duck swam across the pond with its ducklings. Door is a structure that allows entry or exit from a place. She knocked on the door before entering. I closed the front door. Dog is a domestic animal known as man's best friend. My dog loves to play in the park every morning. Desk is a piece of furniture with a flat surface used for writing or working. He sat at his desk and started writing his report. The book is on the school desk. Doll is a toy in the shape of a person, usually played with by children. She gave her little sister a beautiful doll for her birthday. Drum is a percussion instrument that is played by striking it with sticks or hands. He can play the drum very well. He bought a new drum set. The drummer played an amazing solo at the concert. She is a rock drummer in a band. Diamond is a precious stone known for its hardness and brilliance. She wore a beautiful diamond ring on her finger. The ring has a cut diamond. Donkey is a domesticated animal, similar to a horse but smaller and stronger. The farmer used a donkey to carry the heavy sacks. The stubborn donkey will not move. The pack donkey carries bags. Dish is a container used to serve food or a type of prepared meal. This restaurant's most famous dish is seafood paella. The sink is full of dirty dishes. Dress is a piece of clothing that covers the body from the shoulders to the legs. She bought a red dress for the party. She is wearing an evening dress. Drawer is a sliding compartment in furniture used for storing objects. I keep my documents in the top drawer of my desk. Drop is a small amount of liquid in a round shape. A drop of rain landed on my hand. Dolphin is an intelligent marine mammal that swims in groups. We saw a dolphin jumping out of the water during our boat trip. Dollar is the official currency of the United States. He paid $10 for the book. Dust is a collection of tiny particles that accumulate on surfaces. There was a thin layer of dust on the bookshelf. Dust particles float in the air. Please dust off the table. Dew is moisture that condenses on plants and the ground overnight. The grass was covered in morning dew. The grass is wet with morning dew. Dock is a structure by the water where boats can be tied up. The ship was waiting at the dock for passengers to board. Dime is a 10-cent coin in the United States. He found a dime on the sidewalk. Dinosaur is a prehistoric reptile that lived millions of years ago. My son loves learning about different types of dinosaurs. Doorbell is a device that makes a sound when someone presses it at the entrance of a house. She rang the doorbell, but no one answered. Dragon is a mythical creature, often depicted as a large, fire-breathing reptile. The knight fought a fierce dragon to save the kingdom. Dough is a mixture of flour and water used to make bread, cookies, and pastries. She rolled out the dough to make a pizza. She used a rolling pin to roll out the dough. The bread dough is ready. Dice are small cubes with numbers on each side, used in games. One die is missing. He rolled the dice and got a 5. He rolls a pair of dice. Fun fact: to load the dice means to cheat by making the dice unfair, so one number comes up more often than others. I have loaded the dice by making sure the hiring manager is my close friend. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing these simple words with D, and see you in the next video.